video I am going to show you how to assign a quiz to the students, how to return the marks, and how to download the mark list. Now let's see how to assign the quiz to the students. Open a team, then click on assignments, create, click on quiz. Then you can select an existing quiz, click on next. Now you have to fill the details. Title, by default it is keys on the keyboard, no need to change it, and it is assigned to class 2A students. You can see the date due. Now students can submit this assignment till 11:59 p.m. on September 8th. So now the children will be able to submit the assignment after this date also. So if you want to close the date, then you have to click on edit, then choose close date, select it, and now you can change the closing date. I'm going to keep the same. Now the children will not be able to submit the quiz after 11 p.m. tomorrow, that is September 8th. Then done. Then you have to click on assign button to assign this quiz to the students. So after assigning the quiz, students will open it and submit it. Then to see the marks, you have to click on assignment, then open that quiz. Now here in this window you can see the marks of each student. Andrew has not submitted, Anish has not submitted, this boy Aryan has submitted and he got 5 marks. This is the maximum marks. So before downloading the marks or the mark list, before downloading the marks list, you have to return the marks to the students. So I have returned the marks to 39 students. This is the list of the students. Then now I have to return these marks. So for that I have to select all the students. I can do that by clicking on this box. Now I have to deselect Andrew, Anish and Prathamveer. They have not submitted the test, so I will return the marks later. So now after selecting these students, you have to click on return to return the marks to the students. So after returning the marks to 47 students, you can download the marks list by clicking on export to Excel. Open downloads folder. Then you can see the Excel file on the top. Open that. In the first column you can see the first name of the students, last name, then the email address. Then in column number D you can see the marks of each student. Now this Andrew and Anish, they have not submitted their marks, their quiz, so their marks are not displayed here. Now points, that is the maximum marks, and this is feedback. The teacher's feedback will be displayed here. So you can download this and save this in your computer. Now there is another tab called grades. So here you can see the marks of each student and you can download it. Till now I have given 2 assignments, so I can download the marks together of all the assignments together by clicking on export to Excel. And if you want to return the marks for each student, then you can click on these 3 dots and return it. One by one you can return the marks.